You are living around the way. Make sure you share this video. Tag whoever that needs to see this video.
So one man share up with them. Some back. Once they have a bay, one I be on a balance. Yes, when you can block the kid ladies or come to town.
As we just smart so yeah, boy, me my basic see. Them Nubana factory road. That's factory road by Stanbic Bank. Don't worry. Now walking out in the do. So I came in out just now, but then I now noticed that there is an incident here. My park here as usual. Unu ma nne ku ekushike hu nko ma nge eku hu nko ojo mge eku obodo anyị wicked mma. So I now met this Keke guy. Oga biko control wetin happen.
This woman, I crossed from MCC.
First of all, I have again.
I'm
okay, Chukwu. Ele he na arụ. Keke na agba. Tricycle. Ele route gị. Above road. Okay, what happened?
I crossed the MCC. So do man stop some railway. Maybe Naga. So we can establish. So one man share up with them. Some back. Once they have a bay, one I be on a balance. Yes, when you can block the kid ladies or come to town. I'm not on a design what this woman and what. Oh, to show. Oh, the woman. Oh, to show the woman.
Oh, this is the woman.
Oh, to show the woman.
Away also. Away also.
Away in the order. But I'm sure the woman.
This is the woman.
But I'm sure it.
I thought on the open anything like ID card to identify her. Take it. Okay, some people are around.
Okay, some people are around. After my got police station, I got police station CPS. What is the police?
Okay, that's CPS.
What is that? So how I system mambu does I remember my get home phone or anything ID card in me.
Okay.
I search up my bank phone. Big phone, outside the phone on code. You know what? Yeah. Both are saying, yeah, I check on my little last thing. I said, every man on the line.
Every man on the
line. Yeah.
So, every song I push on our way,
the
way, and almost the way. Okay, all in a hoofita, and you are living around the way. Ega this phone number na gani noni hu ya. Putala SIM card ya tina small phone, putala phone number ya MTN line ya. So I'm going to place that number on that video. So ladies yeah what that now. If the number ya woni mo yo ya woni mo ye the lady who and you are living around the way, please make sure you reach out ele police or CPS. That is okay, see area command. I don't know how to post this video because he was to avoid some rules guiding us in social media. There are things we don't do. So as biggest man to ya boy me ma beze ko si ma me ku ekushike. Hun koma nge ku nko jom de ku obodo ya dị mma.